Why do you act so down? I said I do not have a clue, but it's bound to wear me out, and it's got to weigh on you. And I said there's a whole lot of ways for us to weather the storm, and if I had to choose, babe, I guess I'd rather be bored. But there's no reason to drag it through the dust. Don't let it get between the two of us. But I'd love to help you out. I wanna be right there for you, but in a mind so full of doubt, it makes supporting you so hard to do. Alright, I said it's time to take a minute just to think of yourself. It's gonna be a long road instead of making it hell. You might as well take the steps to get you out of this rut, and I will be right here. I wanna pick you up, but I do think it's true, deep in the sadness of you, that we can find a new direction that'll pull you right through. But it's gonna take a little bit of work on your side, so keep on running, cause I'm right beside you. Why do you block me out when I mean the best for you? But if you cherish these breakdowns, I guess there's nothing left for me to do. I know that I'm a hypocrite because I do it too, but only for a little minute, then I'm back in the room making jokes about the stupid little fit that I had, saying sorry baby, don't let me be sad. But I'm gonna intervene, I'm gonna say what I mean. I wanna take a little off your back and play as a team. I wanna use this situation for a song I could write, but the words are coming faster than my fingers can type. But I do my best to say all the perfect words to you, so we can just enjoy today and let the past be only yesterday's news. Oh baby, I wanna pick you up, cause I can't stand to see you cry.